Tired of juggling a vacuum and a mop every time there's a mess? Cordless mop and vacuum combos promise faster, easier cleaning in one simple step. In this video, I'll break down the best cordless mop and vacuum combos that deliver strong suction, effective mopping, and real, everyday convenience. All the links to the best deals on these products are in the description below. Let's get started. Bissell CrossWave Cordless Cleaner and Mop. A powerful cordless solution designed for homes that deal with daily wet and dry messes. This all-in-one cleaner vacuums and mops simultaneously, delivering up to 30 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning with its dependable lithium-ion battery. A dedicated vacuum-only mode boosts suction for dirt, pet hair, and debris, while multi-surface compatibility lets users clean sealed wood, tile, laminate, and even refresh rugs. Its deep sanitization feature eliminates 99.9% of bacteria on sealed hard floors when used with the included hard floor sanitize formula. A standout component is the tangle-free brush roll, engineered to prevent hair wrap from both pets and humans. The self-cleaning cycle automatically rinses the brush roll and internal pathway, reducing maintenance time. Two-tank technology keeps clean and dirty water fully separated for consistent performance. Lightweight at 4.8 kilograms, the device remains easy to maneuver, supported by intuitive controls and a simple charging dock. Users praise its effortless operation and the convenience of cleaning and sanitizing in one pass. Many appreciate the strong suction and easy disassembly, though some report occasional clogging with heavy debris. Battery life receives mixed feedback but is generally adequate for standard household use. Overall, the machine delivers a modern, hygienic, and versatile cleaning experience. Ultenic AC1 Elite Wet Dry Vacuum. A highly adaptive 3-in-1 system that vacuums, washes, and mops in a single motion, making it ideal for homes needing fast and efficient cleanup. The smart mess detection technology automatically adjusts suction power to handle spilled juice, sticky messes, dried debris, and everyday dust. Floors dry in seconds thanks to a quick evaporation mode designed for families with children and pets. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, its lithium-ion battery supports whole home sessions, displayed clearly on the digital interface alongside alerts and voice prompts. Weighing less than 9.5 pounds, the unit is easy to carry, and the self-propelled brush allows smooth movement across hardwood, laminate, tile, and ceramic surfaces. Dual tank separation ensures only clean water reaches the floor, while dirty water and debris remain isolated. The one-button self-cleaning system washes the brush roll and tubing automatically, reducing contact with messes. Build quality is robust, supported by a washable filter, well-designed charging base, and an included cleaning tool for periodic deep maintenance. Users consistently highlight the long battery life, intuitive display, and the machine's ability to eliminate both wet and dry messes without pre-sweeping. Its maneuverability and strong cleaning performance make it a reliable choice for modern households. Brobig A30 Air Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. A versatile floor care system engineered to handle diverse flooring types across North American homes. This model replaces the need for a broom, mop, and separate vacuum by delivering combined wet and dry cleaning performance. 4 operating modes, Normal, Eco, Max, and Dry, allow users to tailor suction and water usage to specific messes, while the self-propelled design ensures effortless maneuverability with one hand. Capable of tackling debris such as crumbs, pet hair, dust, spills, and sticky residue, it provides a true all-in-one cleaning experience. Dual-tank technology supplies consistent fresh water while keeping collected waste safely separated. The waste tank also incorporates a system for dividing liquids from solids, simplifying disposal. The 180-degree lie-flat design allows the device to glide under low furniture, reaching areas many upright systems cannot. With powerful 17,000 Pascal suction maintained even at full recline, users gain deeper cleaning capabilities. A full charge supports up to 45 minutes of cleaning, and the automatic self-cleaning cycle restores the brush roll in just 3 minutes. Users praise its strong suction, quiet operation, long battery life, and easy handling. Build quality feels solid, and the edge-to-edge cleaning performance is particularly well received. Overall, it delivers convenience, speed, and impressive results for busy households. Shark Vacmop Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. A lightweight cordless design built for quick daily cleaning, combining powerful suction and targeted spray mopping in one streamlined device. Instead of circulating dirt through internal filters, debris is locked into a disposable pad featuring an integrated dirt chamber. This prevents clogs and eliminates the need for post-cleaning mess handling. The on-demand spray function applies cleaning solution precisely onto tough stains, making it ideal for sealed hard floors such as wood, tile, laminate, vinyl, marble, and stone. LED headlights illuminate dust, hair, and hidden debris, improving accuracy during cleaning sessions. With no touchpad disposal, users simply eject the pad with a button when finished. Cordless convenience enables smooth transitions between rooms without replugging, while the quick-drying formula prevents streaks and leaves surfaces refreshed. Although the device weighs only 3.34 pounds, it delivers strong suction that many users report outperforming traditional vacuums, especially on wood floors. Its simple operation makes it a favorite for maintenance cleaning and spot treatment. User reviews reveal praise for ease of use and effective debris capture. Although battery life receives mixed opinions, with some finding it adequate and others wishing it lasted longer. Despite this, the efficient design and overall cleaning performance make it a popular household tool. Habiubiu Wet, Dry, Vacuum Cleaner. A convenient cordless cleaning system designed to vacuum, wash, and mop simultaneously, powered by strong 17,000 Pascal suction that handles dirt, debris, spills, and pet messes effectively. A smart detection system automatically adjusts suction based on surface conditions, ensuring efficient performance with minimal input. Voice prompts assist with maintenance reminders such as charging, water refilling, and dirty tank cleaning, making operation almost effortless. Weighing only 7.72 pounds, the unit remains easy to move throughout the home, supported by a self-propelled brush that reduces physical strain during long sessions. Dual tank separation keeps fresh and dirty water isolated, ensuring clean washing every time. The digital display provides quick visibility of battery status and cleaning mode selections. A one-touch self-cleaning feature rinses the brush roll and internal pathways, preparing the device for its next use with minimal user involvement. Its 180-degree lay-flat design reaches under beds, sofas, and low cabinetry, improving access to hidden dust. Users consistently praise its cleaning effectiveness, streak-free floor finish, and ability to leave surfaces spotless in a single pass. Battery longevity is suitable for full home cleaning cycles, and many find it an excellent value for money due to strong performance and user-friendly design. Bissell CrossWave Turbo Vacuum Mop, a multi-surface cleaning system built to wash and vacuum at the same time, offering a faster and more efficient alternative to traditional mopping. This model works across tile, sealed wood, laminate, pressed wood, rubber mats, linoleum, and even area rugs. Two-tank technology ensures that clean water and formula remain separate from dirty water, allowing consistent results throughout each cleaning session. The antimicrobial Fresh Start filter helps reduce odors and maintain internal hygiene, especially beneficial for homes with pets. At 11 pounds, the device remains sturdy yet manageable, featuring high-quality construction built for regular household use. Suction power effectively removes dirt, debris, and hair, giving floors a refreshed appearance after every pass. User impressions highlight extremely easy operation and straightforward cleanup, though some note that the self-cleaning function can leave residual water, requiring manual drying. Many customers consider it highly effective and a time-saving upgrade from traditional tools, while others express mixed feelings regarding value for money. Despite these variations, its ability to clean multiple surfaces quickly remains one of its strongest attributes. This model excels in situations where regular deep cleaning is needed, delivering reliable wet and dry performance with minimal effort while supporting the mission to help save pets. Shark Vacmop Reveal Cordless Cleaner. Designed for fast, everyday floor maintenance, this cordless wet and dry cleaner combines vacuum suction, spray mopping, and dirt reveal lighting into one compact system. The built-in illumination highlights hidden dust, hair, and debris that often go unnoticed, helping users achieve a more thorough clean with fewer passes. Powerful suction pulls debris directly into a disposable pad-sealed dirt chamber, preventing clogging and keeping messes contained. On-demand spray control allows targeted cleaning for sticky spills and stubborn stains, while the included pet-friendly multi-surface solution helps neutralize odors and leaves floors streak-free. The lightweight design, weighing just over 4 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver across sealed hard floors such as hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, marble, and stone. Cordless operation ensures smooth movement between rooms without interruptions. Build quality feels solid despite its compact size, with simple controls and a practical no-touchpad disposal system that eliminates direct contact with dirt. Users consistently praise its ease of use, strong suction for surface debris, and the effectiveness of the reveal lighting. Battery performance receives mixed feedback, with some users wanting longer runtime, but many still find it sufficient for quick cleanups. Overall, it's well-suited for daily mess control and maintenance cleaning. That wraps up our picks for the best cordless mop and vacuum combos. Check the links in the description for updated prices and details, and choose the one that fits your cleaning needs best.